Hello to all Nova Scalper warriors. I'm a golden girl. Today we're going to talk about a factor that can make your account vanish in just a few seconds if you are not paying attention. That's major economic news. Have you ever seen prices jump widely when news breaks? That can be completely avoided if you know how to react correctly. So, in this video, we will learn how the economic news impact on gold or forex scalping and how you can react quickly to protect your account. Let's get started. Although scalping involves fast trading, economic news is a hidden assassin that you need to be especially cautious of. First and foremost, major news can cause extremely volatile movements. Price can move tens, even hundreds of pips in an instant, leaving you no time to react. Secondly, you will be very prone to slippage. This means your order doesn't fill at your desired price, but rather than a worse price, leading to larger than expected losses. Next, trading fees, also known as spread, will widen dramatically at the time of news releases, significantly increasing the cost of your trades. Finally, the market doesn't adhere to any technical analysis during news events, rendering all your analysis meaningless. So, what types of news are especially dangerous that scalpers need to pay attention to? For forex pairs and gold, news from the US usually has strongest impact. For example, non-farm payrolls. This is absolutely the strongest news, always causing extreme volatility. FOMC interest rate decisions. The Fed decision to raise or lower interest rates will significantly impact the USD and gold prices. Consumer Price Index and Producer Price Index. These are inflation indicators directly affecting monetary policy and consequently gold and forex prices. Gross domestic products indicates the overall health of the economy. Additionally, for other currencies like Euro, GBP, JPY, CAD, NZD, AUD, you also need to pay attention to the central bank interest rate reports, inflation, and GDP from their respective countries. Especially with gold, besides USD's news, you need to pay special attention to geopolitical events like military conflicts, global crises, and pandemics. These events often drive gold price higher due to investors' flight to safety mentality. And the purpose to always stay proactive, you need to know how to monitor the economic calendar. I recommend using reputable websites like Forex Factory, Investing.com. And remember, checking the economic calendar is a daily habit for a professional scalper. And so, when a major news breaks, how should a scalper react? The safest strategies for new scalpers is to stay away from the market. Simply close all open trades before news release, and don't enter any new trades during or immediately after the news until the market stabilizes. This is the best way to protect your account. Another option is to trade after the news. This means you will wait for the market to react and a clear new trend to form after the news before looking for entry points. As for news trading, meaning you try to enter a trade right the news release to capture a large movements. I do not recommend this for new traders. This is an extremely risky strategy, requiring very high skill, fast trading platform, and extensive experience. Even many professional traders avoid this strategy. If you insist on holding trades during news, always set a tight stop loss to limit your risk. In short, economic news is a double-edged sword. For a scalper, protecting your account is always the top priority. A clear plan discipline will save you from unnecessary market shocks. Always check the economic calendar before you scalp. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Nova Scalper channel so don't miss all the valuable videos. Happy trading! See you in the next video!